Hi everyone, welcome to our PM2 presentation, and I'm going to my name is Zixia Lu from Team LGD, and I'm going to walk through the UML chart and all the create table statement inside our PM2 assignments. I'll start with the company table. So inside our this company table represent the company that owns all the liquor stores um, inside our database. So inside this company table, we will have a company name as the primary key for this table, as well as a description, and their data type should both be strings. And a company should have 0, 1, or more than one liquor stores. And here is our liquor store table. We will using the store ID, which is an integer variable, as the primary key for this table. And inside the liquor store, we have a name, description, issue date, expiration date, license status, address, city, state, zip code, all those kind of informations. But the store ID will be used as the primary key, and also we will have a company name foreign key to link this table back to the company table. We, uh, Furthermore, we have a user table, which should include a username as the primary key. Also, you should have a password, first name, last name, email, as well as a phone number inside this table. A user table should have 0, 1, or more than one comments regarding to the liquor stores. So for the comment table, we'll be having a comment ID, which we'll be using as a primary key for this table. Also, we will be this table will have a foreign key username to link the comment back to the users, as well as another foreign key store ID to link the comment to its corresponding liquor stores. Uh, in addition to the comments table, user table also have another child table called reservation. Inside the reservation table, we will have a reservation ID, which we'll be using as the primary key for this table. Um, Also, a username as a foreign key to link this child table back to its parents table user, and also another store ID to link this to the launch table. A user table should have can have 0, 1, or more than one reservation tables. Also, we have a region table, which will be which will be uh have a primary key city as a string, and as well as a region name, also data type string, and as well as the zip code. And in addition to that, we will be having a police office table, which will be a subtable for the region table. Inside the police office table, we will be having a police office ID as a primary key for this police office table, as well as a district address, zip code, state, all those kind of information stored in this table. Also, the foreign key in this table is the city, which will be used to link back to the region table. A region should have 0, 1, or more than one police office inside this region. Another child table for the region is the crime rate. So inside the crime rate, we will be having a we'll just use the crime rate. Just use the crime rate as the this region's primary key. Also, we'll have a string called city as a foreign key to link this back to the region table. Uh, Another child table for the region table is transportation. Inside the transportation, we'll have a transportation ID, which we'll be using as the primary key, and also a transportation type, which will indicate what kind of transportation this region has. And in the end, a city foreign key to link this child table back to the region, which is also its parents table. Here is the our SQL workbench code. From here, it's all the create table statements we have according to our UML, which I presented earlier. In addition to that, we finish all the loading data, and right now, we think we finish all the required uh, steps for this programming assignment. When we were implementing the code, the SQL code, I think the we need to the most challenging part is to figure out the correct order for creating and dropping those tables, as well as implementing the actual tables. Also, we met some challenges during the loading of all the data we find, and my teammate will give more info regarding to that part.